Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is your friend Zaid Zaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. Today is Tuesday, 21st June 2022. Let's look at today's gold prices in the UAE. Starting with the 1 gram price of the 24 carats gold without VAT price is 216.63 and with VAT is 227.46. For 22 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 198.87 and with VAT is 208.81. For 21 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 189.55 and with VAT is 199.03. For 18 carats gold, 1 gram price is 162.47 and without VAT price for 1 gram is 170.59. For 14 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 126.73 and with VAT is 133.07. For 10 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 90.33 and with VAT is 94.85. Last but not the least, for the 6 carats gold, 1 gram price is 54.16 and with VAT is 56.87, keeping in mind that the VAT rate in the UAE is 5%. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this information with your friend and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.